Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys what I made using some scraps that I had left over from this collection called Simple Vintage Lemon Twist by Simple Stories. So I had some scraps left over and I had some solids left over as well. And I decided to make a cute little project with one of the bases I had on my project cart. And we're going to go over all of this where you guys can find tutorial information and all of that stuff. All right, you guys, so this is an adorable little 4x4 size mini album that I made just using up my scraps. I have my stitching on the front covers, on the spine, the back, my handmade logo stamp, which I'll link down below because you guys can get one too. And then I just punch it out with a 1.5 inch circle punch. We've got a ribbon tie closure here. And there is a tutorial for the base of this album. It is one of my Valentine's Day tutorials, but I'm going to link it down below because you don't have to make yours Valentine's Day themed. I originally made it Valentine's Day themed and then I just did a tutorial after, but it's just a base. You could do whatever paper you have in your stash. In this case, I was using scraps, which I do also. So not only do I have the tutorial for the base of the album, but then I have a process video of me putting together this album with this paper. So you guys can check that out as well. It's going to be linked down below in case you guys missed that. But yeah, this album, it turned out really, really cute. And also it is available in my Etsy shop in case you guys want to purchase it. So on the front cover here, or on the inside front cover, it says "Be kind." This opens up. And you guys will see like how I used my scraps to work with this album and everything. So up here, I just put in a couple of little tags from the solids I had. Down here, we did a little booklet, just like that, and that just lives in this pocket and that magnetizes closed. I did put this over the magnet by accident, so you don't hear like the snap anymore, but it still like holds together, like the page is not like falling open or anything, so it still holds. Here there's a belly band I just decorated with a butterfly. There was a cut apart from the collection. It's like a little journal card, and then I also have a tag so you can journal on that. And oh, magnets. In terms of magnets, I used these magnets from Total Element. It's the 5/16 size. I think in the tutorial of the base of the album, I used a different size, like something larger. This time I decided to go with the smaller size, and I actually really liked it. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to like put it in there next to, my goodness, next to this other set. There we go. They just like to go wherever they want to go. But I will link these down below because I do have a coupon code, and it's KarolinasKrafts for 10% off your order of magnets. And I will link this one, the 5/16, but also I'll link my favorite sizes because I do use a few different sizes depending on what kind of project I'm making. And some of them have adhesive, some of them don't. Obviously there's a little price difference if you want the ones with adhesive, but they're still cheaper than the basic gray magnets. So I'm just going to link all my favorites down below and you guys can pick out your sizes. But just know that this is the one that I used for this album in particular. You turn this page, and I did some mirrored pages here, decorated a little bit with some stickers from the collection, and I put in a blank white tag. And then this was actually a sticker from the collection that I just put onto some black cardstock because it looks like a little ticket stub. So I just made a cute little ticket out of that and put that in here. And then on this side, I have 2 blank tags and another little ticket stub as well. So these are 2 smaller blank tags, and it works. And then both of these pages open up like this, and then you have space to either add more photos or do some journaling as well, because you do have some blank like yellow spaces, so you can do journaling and whatnot there as well. And then you turn this. Here we've got an angled pocket. We've got a blank tag. We've got another little ticket stub. And then just like this little booklet that flips open and you can write on. So that lives here, and it's just really, really cute. And get our ticket in there. And then here on this page, you can add a photo, and this is actually a little pocket page. So I made a cute little tag that you can write on the back. That lives in there. And then this flips open. You could add a photo or do journaling. And then I did another little pocket here, and I added in this little booklet, and I added a sticker to that because it looked a little plain, and just a tag as well. So there's a bunch of tags in here, and you can use these tags throughout. You don't have to use them like in the pockets. Even like these little ticket stubs, like let's say you want to add a photo here and then decorate with this like in the little corner, you could do that and still have your photo. So that's a great way to use those. You can decorate your pocket and just have it there. You can decorate this pocket and just put it there. And if you wanted to leave it here, you could decorate there and then still tuck in a teeny little tag on there if you glue it down on 3 sides. Like there's different options. For these guys, if you wanted to, let's say, just glue this down to a page, you could do that. Just be careful where you glue it. Like you wouldn't want to glue it here because there's a magnet there, but you might want to glue it here, for example. If you want to glue this down on 3 sides, you could do that. Have this would like little flip open a bit. And then you can even glue that down on 3 sides and then have a tag tucked in behind that. So there's just like different ways that you can still decorate this and make it your own. But there's a bunch of stuff included in here, and it's just so cute where you can add your photos and everything. So yeah, that is, oh, where did this tag come out of? Not there. Oh, right here. So that is just like a way that like it's a cute little mini album. And like I said, there is the process video, so if you guys want to learn how to make this, how I used my scraps to make it work with this album, or if you just want the tutorial for the base of the album, everything is linked in the description box. So check everything out in the description box down below. And that is it for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I'm also trying to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if there's any of my videos that you guys think your friends would be interested in or your followers, please share my videos, because I'm trying to reach that big goal of 100K subscribers by the end of the year, and I can't do it without your help. So please, if you can, just share, spread the word, and I would appreciate it so very much. All right, you guys, so that is all. Thank you, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.